Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to make this beautiful braided headband. And these are the materials we'll be making use of. I have my African prints here and I have my foam. So for the African prints, I went ahead to cut 3 straps. And the length of what I'm working with is 36. You can actually decide to make yours 34. While the width is 4 inches, as you can see. Then the length is 36, and it's going to be having a tie at the back, so you can actually decide to make this 34. That is also fine. So this is 36 inches and I have 3 straps, and this is 1, 2 and 3. Then I have my foams as well. You can decide to make use of this foam or you use the cottons, those ones found inside pillow. Then this is the 2 straps I'm going to be adding to it for the tie. The length of the tie I'm working with is 15 inches long for the both of them, while the depth is 4 inches. So you can actually decide to make use of any length of your choice. The next thing we're going to be doing right now is to fold our strap, the main strap. We're going to fold the front facing each other. Then I'm going to go ahead to my sewing machine and sew 1/2 inch straight. And I'll do the same thing for the other 2 straps. So guys, can you see what we have here? I've gone ahead to sew 1/2 inch. Can you see this? Then I did the same for the other 2. Right now, we are going to be using our safety pin to turn this inside out. If you actually have a turner, it's going to make your work a lot easier. But for me, I don't have it, so I'm making use of my safety pin. So if you're using your safety pin, you want to do this carefully so the pin doesn't poke you. So you gently turn this till you're done turning all your 3 straps together. After turning your straps, you go ahead and turn the remaining 2. Then after that, you give this a very nice press, making sure that the stitched part is in the middle. Can you see the placement? The place where we stitched is actually in the middle. So we're going to place it like this, take it to our ironing table and iron this flat. So this is the iron part. After this, the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to go ahead and fill each strap with our foam. So while filling this, please do not make it too bulky. You keep pushing the foams down, making sure it's just light. You don't want it to be too heavy, neither would it be too light. So you keep filling this. Like I said earlier, you can actually make use of those cottons, the soft ones, the ones you can find in your pillow, or when you go to these furniture workers, you get foams from them. So it depends on what you want. Then if you don't have the fund to get this, you can actually make use of your scrap fabrics. But these cottons, these foams is actually going to give you a better result. Right now, we are done stuffing the foam into our straps. The next step is to take the tip of each strap, take this to your sewing machine and stitch it down. So after stitching it down, the next thing we'll be doing right now is to begin knotting the straps. So we're going to be knotting it this way, just the same way you make your braids. So we're going to be braiding this. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Please, while you're braiding it, make sure it's quite loose. You don't want it too tight. You want it to have that soft, very soft feel. So we're going to do this till we get to the tip of the strap. So when you get to the tip, kindly hold the tips as well, place it together, take it to your sewing machine and lock it up. So this is what we have for the braided headband. Now the next thing is to work on the tie. For the tie, we are going to be placing the front side facing each other, take it to the sewing machine and sew 1/2 inch. We are going to be repeating this on the other strap before attaching it to our headband. After that, you are going to go ahead and lock one edge of the strap. So you're going to lock just one edge. You're going to turn this inside out like so. So while turning, endeavor to bring out all the edges. Now we are going to repeat the same thing for the other strap. After turning your straps over, you're going to be folding 1/2 inch inwards. Fold it inside, then impute this edge of your braided headband into the strap. Take it to your sewing machine and lock it up. Can you see how neat it is? So we're going to be stitching this down. So to repeat this, you're going to fold 1/2 inch inside, put this inside, making sure it fits properly. Can you see the way I'm doing it? When you're done, take it to your sewing machine and stitch the edge. So this is the end of what we have right here. So we're going to be tying this just to show you the finished work. Then I'm going to show you a picture where it is being worn. So this is how to make your beautiful braided headband. This is very easy to make, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy creating this. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you got value, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, of course. If you have any question, kindly drop the question in the comment section. We are going to be there to answer all your questions. And trust me, we can't wait to see your question. Thank you.